Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You want to turn the Shift key off. Start by defining whether you mean the physical key or the accessibility feature. Once done, make a quick backup or create a restore point on Windows because you may change registry or system settings. Now open Settings, then go to Ease of Access or Accessibility on Mac OS or Linux. You'll use those panels first. They expose sticky keys, filter keys, and modifier key behaviors. Proceed directly. Don't waste time on installers yet. You're in the middle of the process. Turn off sticky keys and filter keys so the OS stops treating Shift as stuck. If you need the key fully disabled, use a remapping tool, Windows PowerToys Keyboard Manager, Carabiner on Mac OS, or Xmodmap on Linux, to map Shift to no action. Once configured, apply and save the profile. If you must, edit the Windows registry key for scancode map, but take caution. Backup, because incorrect edits can disrupt input entirely. Finish by testing. Open a text editor and press both Shift keys. Make sure capitalization and shortcuts no longer trigger. If shortcuts still occur, restart the machine, reload the remapping profile, and verify settings persisted. If things go wrong, revert the registry or restore the system point you made earlier. As a final note, if software fixes fail, try another keyboard or remove the keycap and inspect for debris. Hardware faults can mimic stuck modifiers, and swapping hardware often resolves persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.